Okay, and how to execute all these things with the help of, can you go to the transaction code FBZP, ma'am? Go to the transaction code FBZP and once again check with your information whether this payment medium format is assigned to your payment method or not. Hmm. No, payment method in country. Payment method in country. Double click on this thing. Okay. So this one is very, very important. And go to the drop down option, ma'am. And it should be there, all of you. If it is not there, automatically, no, I mean, you cannot open the files and configurations things. Okay. I mean, flat file you cannot open. Good. Can you remove this thing, ma'am? Okay, right. See, whatever the active versions that we have, we can able to run it. And what we need to do is, ma'am, continue. This is and give slash n, ma'am. Ma'am, can you raise the one invoice for your vendor? Or else you do one thing, create new vendor, ma'am. Go to the create one new vendor, ma'am, for our verification purpose only. Create our new vendor. Click on the enter and give any title. See, for everything, you need to create the new vendors, all of you. Why I am creating the new vendors? If you get little bit errors regarding with master data maintenance, okay, and definitely they will going to ask you some of the questions. Every time you should create it. Okay, do it. And if you face any problem regarding with all these things, no worries. Okay, we can change the configurations and all, and you will going to learn the errors, right? Yes, here in the tolerance group, take out the tolerance group, ma'am, and the payment method, and also house bank. Yes, take out the house bank also, ma'am, that you have created. Good. And no need to give anything. Go to the save button and save it. Okay, so we have created the vendor 71004. Give slash n, ma'am. And can you raise the one invoice, ma'am? Can you raise the one invoice? Give slash n and can you raise the one invoice? Change the company code. Click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Give slash n, ma'am. Take out the company, sorry, vendor. Take out anything, ma'am, 1,50,000. Give the text, buying raw material from the vendor. So you have to have the clear cut information, all of you. We will buy the raw material from the vendor and after that we will make the payment. Okay, when you are making the payments and all to the different types of vendors, and you should have proper file formats. Okay, what is the exact company code and what is the exact date and what is the exact amount and what is the exact I mean how many items that we are producing. Okay, that is very, very important. No issue. Click on the enter, ma'am. Okay, go to the save button and save it. And this one has been posted, document number 211, and check with the FBL1 and ma'am once again. And do we have open items or not? Check with each and everything, all of you. So we do have one open item that is 1,50,000 rupees. Can you give slash n, ma'am? Yes. Now what we need to do, so we should run the automatic payment program to see the payment files F110. Yes, give the identification, ma'am. Go to the parameters and give the parameters and on, and give the vendor and payment method and next payment date. Good. Give the vendor and due date check and also vendor. Good. Click on the enter and go to the status. And now what we need to do is go to the proposal, ma'am, and take out the start immediately. Go to the create payment medium. No. Create. No. See, first we need to have the create payment medium. Okay, delete the proposal run. Yes, go to the proposal. In this proposal, start immediately, create payment medium. So we should create the file, right? Okay, so go to the continue option, ma'am. Go to the continue option, click on the enter. Enter. That click on the enter. Ma'am, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm getting late screen. Okay, now what do is go to the payment run, ma'am. Sorry, edit proposal. Go to the edit proposal. So payment proposal should be created. Go to the continue option, ma'am. Whether these items are picking or not. Ma'am, your internet is okay or not?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So why? Because getting too much of late screens. Continue, ma'am. So okay. Now it is okay. Go to the SAP system.
Sir, disconnect చేయనా sir మళ్ళీ?
Yeah, ma'am, no issue.